Hey guys, welcome back. In our last video, we learned about adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing. We also learned about integers and floating numbers. Today what we're going to learn about is exponentiation, which is raising one number to the power of another. In this example, we're going to write print, open brackets, close brackets, and in the center of them, we're going to write 4 power of 5 will do. This should mean that our calculation should multiply 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 and give us the answer. So if we go to run simple operations, you'll see the answer has outputted as 1024. If we enter print 2 to the power of 3, that's 2 times 2 times 2, our answer should run and show as 8, which is shown here. So depending on what sort of program that you're wanting to create, it's very good to remember these sort of operators, as they'll come in handy as you go on into more deeper Python programming.